Good morning, everybody. It's time for another shave. And for today's shave, I'm going to be using Gentleman's Not Outlaw. This is a collaboration between, obviously, Gentleman's Not and the ShaveMigos. It smells really nice. It's a cologne type, so it smells really nice. It's been a while since I used it. I think last time I used it was when I was on the ShaveMigos. But it smells good. I have it on the vanity for a while. I'm like, I want to shave with it. And I did it until now. Anyway, of course, matching splash. And for the brush, I'm going to be using the Alpha Outlaw handle. This is another one that I rarely use. It's very comfortable. I can tell you that it's very comfortable. With a no knot. And for the razor, going full outlaw. This is the Alpha Outlaw bronze. This was a limited drop. Only 25 were made, and this is number 20. Number 20 out of 25. Excuse me. Still with the cough. But anyway, let's have a great shave. And I'm gonna be using a Wizzamet on the Outlaw. I had a bunch of Outlaws throughout the rabbit hole. There was a point that I have like 8 Outlaws. I have it on pretty much almost. The only one that I didn't have was the copper one. Between the Collabs and the regular materials, but I still have the shaved that version and the UK What Shaving Society version, the Texan Shave version. I had the titanium, stainless steel. Too many. But the only one now that I have is this one and the Collabs. If I recall correctly, my favorite one out of the bunch was the bronze one. That's why I still have it. Even though I tried to sell it, but then I was having kind of regrets. I'm like, I don't know, I like the razor, but I have too many razors. I have too many razors. I think this is the C4 base. Or C4 plus base. I don't know. I didn't saw it on the top, but anyway, it's gonna be an enjoyable shave. Smells really nice. I don't know if this was a dupe or of something or not, but it smells nice. Smells really nice. Looking a little bit thinner for how much I loaded the brush. Also, I don't know if you guys have seen it, but Matt did a live on YouTube, I believe yesterday. And he mentioned that he's hoping to start bringing back the Yates brand. He's already working on the winning, and he's gonna keep Yates prices. So those are gonna be probably the most affordable USA made razors. I don't know how they will stack up compared to the Maxwell June, because I know they were kind of close on price. Especially the winning. which was the most affordable one. Which is funny also because they have some similarities too. Yeah, looking pasty, but a little bit thin, but it's looking pasty. That will give a chance to other people that love that razor and didn't got it to get it and keep the brand, Yates brand, alive. I wish I could have gotten the stand for with the 3 plates. I wonder if the one from Oliworks works. Will work. But the thing is that I have the stubby one, the 921 stubby. That handle is thick. It's really thick on the base. Yeah, this one is not gonna develop more. Pretty thick. Yeah, not thick. It's looking pretty wet. Very, very low profile, but looks very wet. Let's see. Are we gonna keep the Outlaw? Yep, feels very smooth. Oh yeah, very, very nice thickness. But if I recall correctly, I find this one smoother than the titanium and the others. It's a pretty nice razor. I don't mind the weight, actually. There's a few razors that I don't mind the weight. I mean, weight is somewhat manageable in every razor, but it does affect the shave. Let's see. Very nice. I only have maybe a day's of worth of growth. I don't remember exactly. I think I have a day. I should, because it's 4 in the morning. On a Saturday. I'm about to head to work, but it's not to work. It's not for work. An old colleague left me a package inside the truck, so I'm gonna drive there and pick it up because, well, I cannot leave a package on the truck for a weekend. I don't know what's gonna happen. Not taking chances. It's not compatible. But still. Yeah, still surprisingly smooth. Very enjoyable shave for me. Very nice. Very nice, cologne scent. So it's a relax Saturday early morning shave. Well, most people are sleeping. But it's been a great shave. Now I'm gonna be waiting for Voodoo Yeti, the Legend of the Blood Moon, that is estimated to arrive on Monday. Looking forward to it. How many of you grab it? I'm obligated. Sounds interesting. Obviously, it's a collab between Eric the Cajun Blade Chris Leather Yeti. So it should be interesting. Should be a good one for the ages. Very nice. He got everything. That was a really nice shave. I don't see blood. That's a really nice shave. That's another great razor that to the pile. Yes, man, I have way too many options, which is great. That was a great share. Oh yeah, very nice residual thickness. Check it. Always the splash. Shake it. You gotta check it. Let's see if I get any burn. Yeah, a little bit of a burn. Very nice shave. That was a great shave. Enjoyable. Yeah, it's a very cologne, but very masculine and enjoyable. It's not dark, it's bright. It's a bright cologne. But man, that was a great shave. Well, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you for watching as always. And I guess I'll see you on the next shave. Enjoy your weekend.